In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start setting up departments within your help desk. So let's navigate to our help desk by clicking on Help Desk over here on the top left-hand side. Then we're going to click on Setup. From here, we're going to click on Departments, and we can start creating our departments. To do that, I'm just going to click Add Your First Department, and then we can give it a name. So this is going to be which department it is. So if it's general, sales, technical, whatever department is relevant to your business. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the sales department. I can then select which agents are responsible for this department or are assigned to this department. So I've got 3 agents here. I'm going to go ahead and select all of them. They're all responsible for dealing with sales related tickets. I then have tiers. So a tier, if you hover over the tooltip over here, is going to help you organize your agents into tiers to enable ticket escalation and de-escalation. So agents can only see tickets that are assigned to their tier and below. So we're going to go ahead and enable tiers. We're going to say yes, because I've got 3 different agents assigned to this department. And you'll see that currently all of my agents are on the same tier. So I'm going to go ahead and move Zark Muckerberg to tier 2. And I'm going to go ahead and move myself to tier 3. So now anytime a ticket gets escalated by Jeev, it's going to be sent to Zark. And anytime Zark escalates a ticket, it's going to be sent to me. So that is how you can create tiers to enable escalation and de-escalation and tiers within your agents. All right. So then we have our ticket types. And again, if you hover over the tooltip, it's going to tell you that you can create ticket types to group tickets within departments. So if we go ahead and enable that, you'll see that we can then create ticket types. So we can add a ticket type and we can say, product return, and we can set that as just normal, but you can change the priority depending on the ticket type. So we're going to go ahead and hit save, and you can add as many ticket types as you need to. So we can go ahead and say refund, for example, and again, we'll just say normal, and we can go ahead and create another one, and we'll say that's not how you spell exchange. Exchange. There we go. And again, we'll just set that as normal and hit save. All right. The last thing we have is our forms, and you're going to be able to set up and create custom forms that you can link to specific departments. This is why we're setting up our departments first. So currently it is set to default, because that is our default form, and we don't have a unique form that we can link to this department. So for right now, we're going to leave it as default, and we're going to hit save. And you can go ahead and create as many departments as you need to. So I can go ahead and add another department, and let's just say that this is the technical department, and I'm just going to select, let's say, Zark for the technical department. There's no tiers because there's only one agent. We could submit ticket types. We could say, yes, this is going to be password reset, and we could make it urgent if someone needs to reset their password. We could add an extra ticket type, and I'm just copying the examples there. Software license, and again we could say, well, that's normal, and then hit save. All right, and then again there's the default form, and we can hit save, and now we've got multiple departments within our business and within our help desk. So that is how you can create departments within your help desk. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create those custom forms that you can then link to these departments. I'll see you there.